Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Hanafiah.
As Albert Einstein have said in theory and practice are the same. In practice, they are not. So what actually Albert Einstein wants to tell us about the theory and practice? Is it theory and practical is different? And is it theory and practical can measure our success? We are the student and already has the experience in learning theory and practical, whichever in primary school, secondary school, and university. We just know what the different and similar between in learning theory and practical. So, we want to discuss about what is theory and practical learning and is it can measure the success? Main point. Firstly, the theory learning can define how people absorb, process, and remember knowledge. Understanding or a world perspective is gained or uttered, and knowledge and skills are kept, all of which are influenced by cognitive, emotional, and contextual factors as well as prior experience. There are 5 types different learning theories which are behaviorism, constructivism, connectivism, humanism, and cognitive. This theory has spent a lot of time thinking about learning and researching it. Each form of theory offers a unique perspective on learning as well as the necessary ingredients for success. Different theories work best for various learning outcomes. Therefore, since the theory learning are consisting facts and assumptions, the learning must start identify the goal of learning and then select the right theoretical framework that can help achieve the learning outcomes. Advantages in learning theory is can help us understand what we do not know and then is the only guide to research. According to Mori, relating to theory, it increases its ability to solve other problems in different times and place.
Hi, my name is Nofadisha Kristina binti Muhammad Noor. I'm going to explain about the second main idea of our topic, which is either you choose the theories or the practice are the successful. Okay, the common phrase that we used to know about practice makes perfect. No one will know how actually, and why actually they use the phrase, because you can understand it without you feel it through your own energy. With practice, we can complete a task while using less and less active brain handling. The process will successfully to done the task itself. When the performers manage one part of their works, their intellect are capable of considering another works. When we are doing the practice, it's not only about the physical training, but it could be related to the practice of our brain also. It's not the practice just about the train our physical, but also our mental and how our brain will work on that knowledge that we are getting. For example, the knowledge when we learn in school, as a student in primary and secondary school, we will need to do the homework as the backup to learn more and deeply about the syllabus that we're learning. When in life or as a habit of life, in practicing, we are practice on starting the habits. For example, a good lifestyle are including the sports. So sports or exercise this, we need to make it as habit, which is at least 3 or 4 times in a week. But to start to do it every week, we need to start it from low part, which is start practice doing it at least once a week or twice a week, and make it as habit to make us stable as the real lifestyle of a healthy lifestyle. As the word of practice will help you become habit, and wide open to the personal realistic of things feels and done, and that's how we learn the things from the practicing. As to conclude, between the theories and practice, they have their own benefits. As student, we need both. I can't choose between studies using the theory or either using practice, because the minority will win the method, will never win the method that I could say. As myself and my friends that just explained, we prefer to have both material types or both methods in learning. In university, we are adapt while using two times, is learning in classes. As theory part, we will learn on the first class, and then we will do the tutorial and the practice on the next class, which is the second class of the weeks. So we will learn both types of learning, and practically we will more adapt and more understand about our knowledge or our syllabus when we have both material method of learning. There is no single truth about measure of success. An ambition person evaluate their personal and professional achievement using a variety of performance metrics. That's how we learn about either theories and practice, because there is never gonna have the answer which one is the measure of the successness. It's depending on the mindset, on how a student needs and wants to adapt the knowledge and syllabus that they learn in measuring the success of their life.
I know